So I rigged some wires on the back of it, so you get my desk holding it here. Comes with this fancy remote control, and I got it plugged in so you can hit the on button and start to lighten up. And it goes through that. Got several programs. This would be great for Halloween. Strobe. Flash. Fade. It's going to be cool. Or you can pick the colors or any combination of the colors you want. Isn't that fun? Increase the intensity. Might be better for the camera. And turn it off. This is my favorite though, the smooth.
You're real smooth, brother.
Smooth. Check it out, it's got the LD618 remote control. I got this by accident. I ordered something else and they sent it to me. And being I didn't understand my language in the emails, I never could fix it. So I get to keep it. Alright. Turn it back off here.